friends, welcome back to Fashion Creates Passion. Your wedding saree still glances from every direction, but it's the bridal blouse designs that attracts everyone by overall look. That's why choosing the right blouse is a great matter. For this reason, the beautiful bride go for a simple but elegant aari work blouse designs. For creating stunning patterns and elegant designs on fabrics, aari work is done using a hook needles known as aari needle. Aari work that originates in India and is also known as saree or zardosi work and also Maggam work. Aari embroidery blouses are great for those enjoy traditional hand embroidery designs to wear during the occasions like wedding celebration or other special occasions. To enhance the ethnic outfit by wearing aari blouse designs, the fusion of aari needlework and elements of different embroidery styles and embellishment styles add an elegant touch. Vibrant color South Indian pattu saree and simple elegant aari work blouses are the best combination for wedding ceremony. Wedding muhurtam blouse designs brings the elegance and tradition to your special day. Simple aari work designs give traditional and also modern touch. When you come for wedding blouses, aari work is an integrated and timeless appeal. High quality aari work designs enhance the beauty of every outfit. A skilled craftsman can do aari work in any fabrics like velvet, silk or any fabric materials. But for beginners, go for cotton fabric. In aari work blouse designs not only shows the craftsman's talent, also the traditional look. For a harmonious style, the pattern and color are most important one. If you pair your blouse with a statement earring and delicate necklace and also with stunning monk tikka, add a touch of elegance without overwhelmed embroidery. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, which will encourage me to upload more videos. Are you looking for simple and elegant aari work blouse designs, or any of your friends are looking for this kind of blouse designs? Please share to your friends who are going to stitch aari blouse designs. Please subscribe my channel to view more videos. Thank you.